out because I'm suffering. I can no longer hide my feelings.
She is fluent and she just poured her out for TINUBU to listen to. I just wonder how someone this educated is hawking on the street. This is to show how bad the government have become. So I plead with the audiences to listen to this and let us just make sure that this video goes as viral as possible. Don't forget to stay tuned and stay updated. Thank you.
Register, and we thought the public school is also a free school. It's no longer a free school. When you get there, they will bill you. Go and put 30,000, 5,000 for uniform. We have not seen anything since TINUBU have done. Please help us to beg him. I'm suffering. And my children also are suffering.
What's her name? Notice you speak. What is your profession?
Me, I was a qualified teacher before. I have TC2 and I have NCE. In fact, I've taught at Osibajo school before. Free Liberty School, Aja. There is one at Obanikoro. I was there before. It was when Osibajo entered the second term. They served with the staff, and Pastor TINUBU, Pastor Ngozi at Only Free Parish with him, sacked all the teachers and put our own people there. That is why since then it has affected me. Even my pension is still there. I'm pension. I'm also pleading to Osibajo to look at me and go and settle it out. I need my pension also. I'm Olale Folake Joy. I'm a professional teacher before. I have TC2 and I have NCE. I went to Adeniwa Ogusoya College of Education. I did part-time program, School of Part-time Study, Best SOS. My matric number is PT 07 01 25 02. Thank you.